Are we going to start with rule number 12 now? Rule 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. Rule number 12. So we are going to start with the rule which is bossy R. We also call this as R controlled vowels. Okay, this is what is the date today? 16th. Let's write down the date also. 16th.5.26. All right. So what is bossy R? Have you ever heard of this before? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Let me write down 5 words here and we will read those words and then yes, Adya?
Ma'am, I've heard about bossy R.
You've heard about bossy R? Okay. Do you know what is it? Tell us.
But I don't know the rules nicely. I don't
Acha,
remember.
acha. Okay. So basically these are not rules. It's just that we will see that how our bossy R changes our vowel sounds and what are the tips which will help us to write down the spellings correctly. ठीक है? तो हम पहले ये words read करते हैं. Read this word for me, everybody.
Garden.
Hey, garden.
Garden.
Read this word for me.
Bird.
Bird. Okay, read this word for me.
Foot.
And this word.
Bird.
And this word.
Fun.
Fun. Okay. Now see, you read it very correctly. All of you read it very correctly. You know that how to read these words. But हमने यहाँ पे इसमें इसको ग नहीं पढ़ा ना. Not garden. We read this as garden. Right? Here also we did not read this as bird. ऐसे बोलते हैं क्या? No, we read this as bird. So, sports. Sport. We don't say spots. No short sound. Burn. Burn is little easy. You say slightly the sound of you. It's burn. And here this E is also sounding little differently. Is it saying fan? No? How do you read this? Fern, So, ये सारे 5 bossy R sounds होते हैं where R controls the sound of the vowels and they do not make their usual sounds. Okay? And why this happens, we'll do it with a story and we will...
Ma'am, why we say it bossy R?
Okay, in story you will understand why do we call it bossy R. Start drawing this story with me. I told you now with bossy R we can do a story.
Ma'am, we have to write these words also.
As example, if you wish, you can write them. Otherwise, we will be doing more words.
We will understand in that also. I think so.
Yeah. Chaliye. So once there was this letter R is, this is very thin. The boss. Okay. Letter R is the boss. That's why we call this bossy R. And Mr. R is very angry today. The bossy R is very angry because in his office there are a few vowels. Not few, all the 5 vowels which works in his office, in its office. So today he is very angry with vowel A. Why? A ने क्या किया है? उसने कहा, Mr. A, give me my very important files. And A could not find those files. Lost somewhere. Okay. Then boss says that now I have to punish you. You have lost my very, very important Papers, office papers. Now, who's responsible for this? How will
Ma'am,
I get?
actually the bossy are and he is giving to his servants only.
Yeah, so he is very, very angry on the this A, vowel A, and says that now I will control your sound. When you come close to me and we are together, you will not say your short sound ah. You cannot say your long sound A. Together, you have to make a sound with me, which is R. R. And you do not have to say my sound very louder. You can even skip saying that. Ah. It's just that open your mouth and it should be ah. And then it says, okay, boss, I will do whatever you say. I will take care I'll take care and not, I'll take care of your important papers now, but don't give me more punishment. तो उसने बोला ठीक है fine, you just have to say ah when we are together. This is how R controlled the sound of A and together they made the sound ah. Okay, and there are many other words which I will let you know. Now the next turn was of E. E. Boss was very angry with E as well. E ने क्या किया? Every day late to the office. Every day late to the office. So what is boss going to do now? Control the.
Ma'am, in this E, but it is not the response. This is the responsibility of E in this.
It is the responsibility of E to come to the office timely, na? That's not good to reach late everywhere, every time, especially to your workplace. So it says, when you come close to me, you will not say eh. I will control your sound, and with me, you have to say and my sound very, very less. Or you can even skip saying that. It should be only uh, like fern. है ना? फर्न बोलते तो फर्न बोलते हैं या फर्न बोलते हैं? फर्न और फर्न. So we can skip saying R completely in these words. So R controlled the sound of E. Okay. Then next was I's turn. And I also every day late. Every day late to the office. Rose,
Same,
rose
it has
late.
the responsibility of I to come.
Same. So then boss says that same mistake you are doing, just like E. So same way I will control your sound too. With me, you will also say the same sound as E. Er, er. दोनों का साउंड सेम, दोनों की जो मिस्टेक है वो भी सेम थी, इसलिए बॉसी आर ने उनका साउंड भी सेम वे में कंट्रोल कर लिया. ओके, आर, और एंड हु वाज द नेक्स्ट वन? ओ.
O and U.
Yes. So with O, boss says that this vowel is always on time, always finishing work on time, always coming to office timely, never disturbing me, never making me angry. So I will not control the sound of O. Okay, but I will. He's happy with O. So I'm making the boss happy now. उससे बोला कि ये तो अच्छा वाबल है, इसका साउंड कंट्रोल नहीं करूंगा
We
मैं.
have to change it.
No, it's okay, it's fine. So with me, when you come to me, you will say your sound, but remember not to say my sound when I am there with you. It should be, or you can skip saying my sound. I am not controlling your sound. You should be or, only O or O. Sometime it should be O, sometime it's O. ठीक है? वो कुछ words में हम practice करेंगे. O. This is the sound. And with you also, the boss says, not much difficult with this you also. I am happy. You is also a very good, nice person. Always on time, always take care of the things. So I will not control your sound much, but when you are with me, just make sure you are not saying my sound. Or when you are with me, My sound should not be taken very harshly or strongly. It should only be
Yes,
like that. All right. So this is how these sounds are, Okay. Now there are three same sounds. Which three are the same sounds?
Hmm. Which three has the same sound, Kashmi?
This is easy. R, we know how to read this. R.
and
Yeah.
you.
These three are the same sounds. ER, IR, and UR. So rest we can read write very easily, but with these three sounds, we get little confused. So we will understand some tips now that how can we understand where to write down ER, where to write down IR, where to write down UR. ठीक है?
Mom, can you wait for some time?
Yeah, I will wait now. I was just about to say that only. For this, I will show you some slides and we will understand from there, okay?
Writing.
हाँ लिख लो. I am not closing बेटा. लिखो इसको.
I'm done.
Done? Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, beta, good afternoon. Many of you have joined little late. Last two classes recording I have not uploaded. ना आज मैं कर दूंगी.
Ma'am,
चलो.
excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, where do you upload these classes?
There is a Telegram channel. I'll reshare the link in group.
Okay.
All right. So can I now close this screen and show you what I want to?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anybody who's still writing?
No, ma'am.
Kashvi is writing?
Ma'am, I just started.
Acha, Arya just started. चलो we'll wait for 2 minutes and then we will go ahead. Meanwhile जो जिसने लिख लिया है वो सोचो 5 words लिखो पांचों sound से. Just think how many words can you write with R. Think of words with R like garden, park, shark, far. Write down 4-5 words with R sound.
Ma'am, can we write partial?
Yeah, partial is also the R sound.
Ma'am, I don't know the spelling. We can write.
It's TIAL that says shall.
Ma'am,
PAR.
can we write parcel? Ma'am, we can write with
Yes,
R.
parcel also is a bossy R word.
Don't know the
Parcel.
spelling of partial.
Okay, write it. R. What is
Ma'am,
P?
P-A-R, shall,
Shall
S-H-E.
is no TIAL.
P-A-R-T-I-A-L.
Yes.
Ma'am, we
And
can write. Ma'am, we can write of each sound 5.
4, 5, 2, 3, as many as you can recall.
Ma'am.
Hanji. Tell.
Ma'am, we can write words with R also.
Words with R also?
We can
Matlab?
write.
Yeah, I was just telling that you can write down a few words with AR, ER until your
Okay.
friends are writing these whatever are the notes.
Ma'am, you could write market for a R.
Yeah, very good. Market. And when you say this no bossier sound, it should not be market. I told you that R has to be skipped completely. How will you speak that word then? Market. Only open your mouth and market. Okay? Yes. And when you say garden, it should not be garden. It's garden. Shark. Park. Okay, so bossy R sounds में R को बिल्कुल हम skip कर सकते हैं. Completely skip. This is really very good. If you understand it, your English, the way you speak English becomes it improves. Okay, it becomes better. It becomes impressive. So you should try and speak these words. इनकी लिस्ट बुक में भी है और आप उसमें से देख के तो रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस भी करना. How many of you have that Incredible Phonics Level 4 books that anybody has bought it?
Yes, ma'am.
Level 4 book.
Ma'am, I want it till 2. You have sent it.
No,
Like, when
those are
I
the spelling
ordered
books.
earlier only. So you just give me, I think so, part 2 till.
No,
I
no,
think so.
I'm talking about this book. Let me show you. Whatever I have sent you is the spelling rule book, which goes very well with the course that we are doing. But when you go in depth of something now that you have already done this, you're learning rules from me. तो उसके बाद आप ये वाला बुक भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो अपने आप. देखो मैं दिखाती हूँ. इस पे बॉसी आर का जो हम आज पढ़ रहे हैं. This is the book. This one.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll suggest your parents. Now, when you go and see OCR here, you will see with every sound, you have a story. Like with you are, you have a story. Then you have more words. You have so much of practice like this. Or, these are the words. Okay. So here, I'll send some pictures from this book for your practice, but it is good to have this book with you. So that rules which we are learning and you can
Ma'am, we
practice.
can go then after part 1, 2, 3, then we can go till 4.